To use quick and clean K-Cup cleaning pods on a K-Cup coffee maker, fill the water reservoir, put a large cup on the drip tray, insert the K-Cup cleaning pod into the pod holder, lower the handle, and brew 8 ounces. Pour out the cup and remove the cleaning pod. Lower the handle and brew 8 ounces of just water to rinse. The pods use sodium carbonate and sodium percarbonate to break down and clean up any buildup on the parts. They recommend using the cleaning pods once a week or after brewing flavored drinks to reduce flavor transfer.